Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2003 Chevy Silverado. Cat eye! More specifically, replacing the gauge cluster. Now this will work on 1999 through 2007 Chevy trucks. A lot of different trucks all have the same setup. Tools needed for this job are your key, a 7mm and a ratchet, or I like to use the screwdriver, some sort of extension to get down in there, and your gauge cluster if you're replacing it, or I don't know if you're just changing bulbs. Mine, a bunch of the gauges are not working. The stepper motors are not working, so I'm replacing the whole thing with a reman. As you can see, my temperature gauge is way out of whack. Speedometer doesn't work at all. RPMs are off, so that's why I'm replacing it. First thing you want to do is get your key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, and you want to put your gear shifter all the way down in 1. And if you're gonna, you can hold your foot on the brake. This won't take that long to do, or you want to chalk your wheels just so it doesn't roll away. And then you also want to put your steering wheel all the way in the down position. And you don't even need a pry tool or anything, so the first thing you want to do after that is just grab and start pulling around the top. Sometimes it'll be better if you had 2 hands, but let me get that pulled out. And I guess you could use a pry tool. If you wanted to use a pry tool, you could just stick it down here in the crease and start to pull, but I just did it with my fingers. You just got to get a good grip on it and you pull it out. So you pull your whole surround out, and then you're gonna have to lean it towards you and then pull it up and out, and that's it. It is out. Next thing you're looking for is the 4 7mm bolts. There's one in each corner, one there, one there. You can see it right there. And this is your alignment pin here. So take those 2 out, and then on the other side, same thing. There's one there and one right there. Pull those out. This is the length of screw you're dealing with. It's kind of a longer screw, but all 4 are the same, so you don't have to worry about which one came from where. So after those 4 screws are out, you can tilt this whole thing up, and kind of much easier with 2 hands, but once you get that up, you can look underneath and you'll see the wire harness, and you just pull down, squeeze it together like that, and then wiggle the wires out. So let me get that done. This is what you're trying to get released here, and you squeeze on it, and it's never been out of there on a lot of these vehicles, so you got to squeeze pretty hard. You'll hear a click. It's a pretty good sound click when it finally pops and releases, and then you can just wiggle it out. So now you want to get your new cluster and test it. Once you put those 4 screws back in and you test it, drop your gear shift selector down in the low, and then put everything back in the reverse order. Hope you find this helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Have a great day.